It's September the 2nd, 2020. Welcome to the building site. This is where our new house is going to be, in this lovely gated community. Yeah, we've just popped down to pay the plumber for the underfloor heating he put in for us. Yeah, so things are progressing nicely. No, seriously, they are. Okay, watch this. So the building work, it started, when did it start? About a year ago. I've not got a lot of video, but I've got plenty of photos. So I'll stick them up now and I'll perhaps do another update in a few months. Can you hear that lovely noise? That is the sound of our house being built. Yes, oh yes. I've just taken some photos and there's foundations and walls and stuff. I'm so excited, I might shit myself. Well, still waiting for tiles, but all the props are down, and stairs are finished. Upstairs walls, bathroom wall. Yeah, ta-da! Another site visit. We're just standing at the end of our garden. Use your imagination. Knock knock. Aha, right, through the keyhole. Through the imaginary front door. Dun, dun, dun. Garage. Noise. Into the kitchen, sort of dining room area. Living room, and out into the front garden. Stairs. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, here comes the rain. That's nice. Again. So we have walls. Yes. Bathroom. Bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. We've not decided which one's which yet, but very nice. Quick site visit. Look, all plumbed in, all the electrics. Look, we have tubes.
I think it was 5 o'clock here.
Toilet. What?
It was 5 o'clock here.
Yeah, I left in a hurry, yeah. Yes. Look. Tubes and pipes and shit. Yay. I don't know if I did the guided tour, but this is going to be the kitchen. My French mate Ludo is designing it for us. So like all the kitchen units there, it's going to be like a U-shape sink under the window, and then another sort of like work table here, so like a U-shape. Living room. TV wall. Big, like L-shaped couch. Dining room table, just there, in the kitchen. Pantry, this was stairs. Front door, And the man cave. Ta-da! With lots of extra sockets, just like you said, Dave. The boys got the flooring, underfloor heating, lovely triple glazed windows. All the stuff for the underfloor heating. Sexy bird. Lovely floor. Ooh. Lovely stairs. Ooh. Okay, right. Progress report 2nd of September. After a bit of a flurry of activity the last month or so, sod all has happened really the last couple of weeks. The only thing that seems to have happened is the plumbing for the air conditioner's gone in. Oh, and there's a few new wires dangling from the ceiling for the lights. Yeah. Upstairs too. Oh, look, plumbing for the air conditioner. Plumbing for the air conditioner, and that is all. They were supposed to start plastering this week. Or was that last week? Well, lots seem to have happened. This is one of the neighbours. It's a bit further along than us. Actually, this is the most far along one here, and they've got their windows in. Look, plaster bastards. And I was wondering how they were going to finish the ceiling off. So yeah, now we know. Very nice, very good. Oh well, in a few weeks we'll be here too.